sometimes you know, you plant seeds and you want to manifest things, and you know, you work as hard as you can, but it's just like in the garden. Once you plant a seed, it's only so much you can do. You gotta let nature take its course. And it's the same thing with life, you know what I'm saying? Like, when we plant our seeds in life and we want to manifest certain things, only thing we can do is do all that we can and make sure that we steadily watering it and taking care of it and nourishing it, giving it the nourishment that it needs, you know, and doing our part. And the rest, we just gotta let nature take its course, you know what I'm saying? Let the universe, let God do his thing.
Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this thing. Searching for fortune.
What's good, people? Back with another video. So, you know, about that time, let you know what's on my mind. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And today, man, I just want to holler at y'all, cause I just came out of my garden and I had a little epiphany, man. You know what I'm saying? I just came out of my garden, you know, about 2 days ago. I planted some seedlings, you know, trying to get the seedlings started and get a jump on the gardening season. You know what I'm saying? Springtime rolling around. You know, it's about that time to get started. You know what I'm saying? And put some seedlings in the ground, and for the past 2 days it's just been raining. You know what I'm saying? Been nothing but raining. And today the sun came out, and you know, I happened to peek out the door, you know, and see, you know, out of all the seedlings that I started, you know, I got one sprout in 2 days when they ain't been doing nothing but raining. You know what I'm saying? Been raining this whole time, and I got one sprout. And it just made me think, man, you know, when you apply it to life, you know, sometimes the seeds that we plant in our lives, you know, they don't always manifest at the same time. You know what I'm saying? They don't always manifest at the same time, man. That was the only sprout that I saw out of all of them. Saying I had no idea how I sprouted, because, like I said, it just been continuously raining, you know. And but you know, the seeds that we plant in our life, they don't always sprout at the same time, man. Some of the seeds you plant, you know, that you work on, and you know, you start to see the results of them immediately. You know, they start to sprout immediately. Some of them take a little bit longer, and sometimes some take even longer than that. You know what I'm saying? Just say, for instance, you know, like the one sprout that I got was a bean sprout. You know what I'm saying? But you know, the tomatoes ain't started to sprout yet. You know what I'm saying? The black beans ain't started to sprout yet. The snap pea started to sprout. You know what I'm saying? And for instance, my persimmon tree, got a persimmon tree. You know, now that tree there is already like a baby tree, but it still ain't started bearing fruit yet. You know what I'm saying? And I had that tree almost a year. You know what I'm saying? Then at the same time, you got my kale. My kale I done had almost a year, and the kale done been sprouted. You know what I'm saying? It's flourishing pretty good. You know what I'm saying? And it's producing. You know what I'm saying? And it done survived the cold months and all that. You know what I'm saying? So it's producing. It's already in the active motion of producing. Just it's consistent. You know what I'm saying? The groundwork done been laid for, so it's consistently producing. You know, so I can go back, pick some kale anytime I feel like it. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, the persimmon tree, you know, even though it's further along in age, it still ain't started bearing fruit yet. You know what I'm saying? The leaves ain't even started coming back on it yet. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, the bean sprout, it only took 2 days. Took 2 days to sprout, man. You know what I'm saying? The tomatoes ain't did nothing yet. You know what I'm saying? And I still got some more planting to do. But I just wanted to just throw that message out there, man. Just, you know, make sure you keep that in mind when you applying things to life. You know, sometimes you plant seeds and you want to manifest things, and you work as hard as you can, but it's just like in the garden. Once you plant a seed, it's only so much you can do. You gotta let nature take its course. And it's the same thing with life. You know what I'm saying? Like, when we plant our seeds in life and we want to manifest certain things, only thing we can do is do all that we can and make sure that we steadily watering it and taking care of it and nourishing it, giving it the nourishment that it needs, you know, and doing our part. And the rest, we just gotta let nature take its course. You know what I'm saying? Let the universe, let God do his thing. You know what I'm saying? And the way that you receive the fruits of whatever seeds that you planted, depends on how you take care of it, so that's your responsibility, your discipline, and your attention to details and the things that's required, and then also, nature, pretty much nature, you know what I'm saying? And nature gonna give it the rest that it need, you know what I'm saying? So you just gotta be able to find that balance within things and know, don't just be, I know certain things that we wanna do, certain things that we wanna achieve, certain things that we wanna gain in life, but it's only so much we can do, man. Don't run yourself ragged, run yourself thin, you know what I'm saying, and just stress yourself the hell out because you're not, the seeds that you planted, you're not seeing the results of them just yet. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, man, it's just like plants. You know what I'm saying? That's why I love about the universe. That's why I love about the world and nature and everything. You know what I'm saying? It's just like as above, so below, man. You can see how everything correlates with everything, man. That's why God is within you. God is within the plants. God is within everything. Is in life in general. You know what I'm saying? Because as above, so below, man. So yeah, man. Just be patient. You know what I'm saying? And just put in the work. Do the things that you need to do. And and have faith in it, and that nature gonna take its course, and you will attract the things that you want, and you will manifest the things that you looking to manifest in life. So just keep on taking care of them seeds, man, and keep planting more seeds. You know what I'm saying? So if the seeds that one sprout, that sprout could die. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I done planted 30 more other seeds. You know what I'm saying? So if that one don't make it, then guess what? You got other seeds, it's other possibilities, you know what I'm saying? So you just want to plant as many seeds as possible, without overdoing it, as far as like stressing yourself out. And then the rest, you just gotta let nature take its course, and just do your part. Other than that, man, that's it. That's all you can do. So with that being said, man, that's today's video, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You know what I'm saying? I'm almost to my first YouTube milestone, man. I appreciate y'all liking and watching the videos, coming and all that. You know what I'm saying? So keep on subscribing, man. Keep on sharing it, the content, and let's get it, man. We on the road to reach a more massive audience, man. And so yeah, man, stay on your grind. Don't let nobody stop you. You don't need validation from nobody but yourself. You know what I'm saying? Allow yourself time for your seeds to grow and manifest. And, let nature take its course. Just do your part, man. Till next video, I'm out here. Peace, love, gone.
Something we all know. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain. Stuck in this thing. Searching for fortune.